Oh man, why did I stay up so late? They went to Disneyland, that's cute. Did Sean and Megan break up? Who cares? I gotta get up. Why so early? Should probably get more groceries. What am I gonna have for breakfast? I'm really hungry. Got one class, gonna run some errands, gonna go to work. Oh, damn it, I'm gonna be late. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you 3 quick and easy breakfast ideas. So the first one is going to be a strawberry banana protein smoothie. So your table should look something like this with strawberries, a banana, peanut butter, protein powder, and any milk base. So after you wash your strawberries, just throw that in the blender and cut up some pieces of your banana. And then you're going to take 1 little spoon of peanut butter, or however much you choose. And I usually do just 1 serving of the protein powder, but you can also do as much as you like. And then we're just gonna put in our milk base, and I sort of eyeball it, but it's up to your choice. Just make it as liquidy as you want. And then you're just gonna blend that sucker up. So the next breakfast idea is going to be peanut butter banana toast. This is really simple. All you need is some bread, peanut butter, and banana. So first you're just going to toast your bread, and then when that's finished, just spread on your peanut butter. I usually like the crunchy peanut butter. And now you're just going to slice up your banana and place it on top of your toast. Pretty simple. Now for the last breakfast item, it's going to be avocado egg toast. This is my favorite because it's a lot of protein and it really fills me throughout the morning. So first you're going to get your egg and avocado and any spices of your choice. You're going to want to oil that pan so it doesn't stick. Now you're just going to crack your egg and you're going to want to put it on low heat. I didn't do that. But now you're just going to put all your spices on, as much as you'd like. I try not to do too much, but just for your flavor. And then you're just going to get your avocado and spread it onto your toast like so. I usually put more salt and pepper on the toast. And now you can just place your egg on the toast. And there you go, we have 3 quick and easy breakfast ideas that anyone can make. Super simple in the mornings when you're running late, so yeah, hope you guys enjoy. That was good breakfast. Alrighty, gotta go. And it's 9 o'clock. Alright, we're gonna be even more late.